It's your main man Ty back in the tech. Got something brand new, man. I told you I was gonna put this video out, so here it comes. It is the Turbo Power Forma. Forma. It is from Italy, man. These bad boys are from Italy. These bad boys are hot. Yo, with the Turbo Power, man, for real. These bad boys can do it. This is the Turbo Power Forma trimmers, man. These bad boys can do it. Do you know that these trimmers run at 10,000 RPM? I didn't say 7,000, I said 10,000 RPM. I clocked them myself. They're at 9931. 9,931 RPMs, man. I'm letting you know now. These bad boys are hot. You need to get down to these bad boys. They're definitely the real deal. And these are the most economic clip trimmers of the year. Okay, I'm letting you know. The economical power clippers of the year. In other words, these are the best price clippers of the year. When you get to determine the best price, you gotta know what's a hot joint and what's not. Understand? Does it have power? Can it last? Okay, can it cut? Is the blade a formidable killer blade? Yes, it is. Let's take it to the video, man. This is the bad boy. This bad boy is hot. Now I'm about to take this bad boy out. Let me get this out here. You know it's always hard to get these things out. I got it. Fine. Here we go. This is the Forma, the Turbo Power Forma trimmer. Okay, this bad boy is hot. I'm letting you know now. Come with the black blade, man. The black diamond cut turbo power blade and the whole knot. This thing is fire, straight fire. You're talking about a hot trimmer. You're talking something that can edge, slice, and dice. Yo, I'm telling you, this is hot. Totally hot. That blade stays cool all the way around. All day. 4-hour usage, man. The hot joints. You gotta get these bad boys. These are all that Turbo Power, man. That's the name of the company, Turbo Power. This is the Forma. It's called the Forma, which is an Italian fucking word for speed, okay? Okay, longevity, able to edge things up, to cut it. This thing is hot. And let me tell you, this one over here, Forte. Another one, the Forte. I did a video on this one already right here. And stuff like that, which is the clipper. Here's the trimmer. I'm telling you right now, these things are freaking awesome. They are hot. It's just like that, buddy. I'm telling you right now. You gotta get one of these. If you like the trim, cut here, but save money. If you're a new barber and you're trying to get the hottest joint, you even in barber school, you want the hottest trimmers, but at the best price. Where can you find? Yo, I'm telling you right now. I just told you the Forma, the F-O-R-M-A, the Forma edition from Turbo Power. Company's called Turbo Power from Italy. This bad boy is hot. You get them right here in the States. No problem at all, man. This thing is the real deal. Come on, man. You know. This thing is cutting, man. Slicing and dicing, baby. The zero gap like butter. So easy. So easy. Nothing to it, man. These things come fire, man. Straight fire out the box fire, man. I'm telling you, you're going to want these bad boys. If you don't get it, you regret it. This is absolutely the best price clipper of the year. The best price trimmer of the year. You got to get this bad boy. It is all that. Trust your main man, Ty. I won't keep you for long. I'm going to do a demo. I'm going to send it back so you can see what the heck it does. If they can slice and dice. I'm telling you, man, every barber should get this. Why are you killing yourself? Go ahead, get this bad boy. It's 10,000 RPMs. 4-hour usage, man. I mean, what the heck else do you need with a fucking diamond blade? Come on, y'all. This is it, man. This is it. Anything close to it, come on. You're going to pay about $200, or $200. Damn near $200. Be smart. Get something that can kick some serious butt. You know what I'm saying? Do your thing. Get the Forma editions. Also, the Forte is the clipper that goes with this bad boy. They are on straight fire. They're straight, both from Italy. The company is called Turbo Power. And this one is the Forma, F-O-R-M-A, and the clipper is called the Forte, F-O-R-T-E. Your main man Ty, back on the attack, telling you, yo, before I forget, man, I'll let y'all know right now, I didn't show you what comes with this bad boy. It has 3 guards come up with these bad boys up on top, 1, 2, and 3. Inside has a stand as well, so you can put it inside the stand, whatever, sit the clipper up right there, put it inside the stand, and recharge right from the stand. Of course, also you have the charger and the oil. And these are what basically come with it, of course, the cover. These are things that come with this bad boy. It is once again the Forma edition. Yo, peace out, y'all.